Thank you for watching. All support appreciated. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to hit the notification bell to stay updated with all new content. Sorry about the rain, y'all, but you know, as you seen, it's a little stormy out there, so forgive the extra sound. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just put on some music right now so we can just drown that out a little bit and you know, tell me what you guys think if you guys can hear that. By the way, that's my people out there, Polluted ENT, up out of the Northwest, up out of you know, the Portland, Oregon area. So go ahead and check that out. You know, if you like what you're hearing, the link's in the description. So today, wait, hold on, y'all. Let me get another. Sorry about that. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I still got my leaf buddy. Still treating me good. Better than that cruise anyways. So today, you know, we're gonna do something a little bit different. I don't know if you've seen this CBD lean, but CBD is, you know, starting to, you know, get a little more popularity. So I was out there checking on some coils. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I was looking for some coils for this Yukon Pandan, and I ended up going over here to Imperial Smoking Vape, and they went ahead and looked out for me, and they told me to try this right here, which is Royal CBD Vape Additive. Now this is classic, but before I start getting into that too much, first I want to say that they didn't have the coils, but that's okay, because I've already probably been to about 20 different, you know, smoke shops, and, you know, not too many people have the coils for the Yukon Pandan. So, no disrespect to Imperial Smoking Vape, because, you know, they went ahead and looked out for me, and, you know, the owner went ahead and gave me this for free, and he just went ahead and said to do a review, which is what I'm doing it just for you. You see, so see how that works out? And at the same time, you know, I'm showing appreciation to you as well. And for watching this, we finna go ahead and try this out. So, like I said, this is Royal CBD, and this is a vape additive. So what you do with this is you could either add it to some vape or already, whether you got some concentrate oil, or whether if you have you know, some regular vape, or you could just go ahead and use this for, you know, fill it up in the cartridge and vape it straight like that. So this is additive, but they told me specifically that I could go ahead and use it for a cartridge. So, you know, that's how I'm gonna go ahead and run it. So if you don't know anything, I don't know if you watch the CBD lean. I'm still learning a little bit about that myself. No disrespect to CBD, but I like that THC. I don't know, how about you? So, you know, no disrespect, but the CBD lean that I had was just outstanding. It was beautiful. So, you know, once they ran this by me, you know, I went ahead and thought consciously, like, yeah, I could do a review on this. So here it is. But to give you a little bit of history about CBD, if you don't know, CBD is Cannabidiol, whereas that's where you get the CBD, Cannabidiol, which is cannabidiol. And it helps out with things like anxiety, arthritis, diabetes, MS, which is multiple sclerosis, pain, schizophrenia, depression, infections, and epilepsy, just to name a few. So, and as you can hear, the rain is really starting to kick up too. But we're gonna push through this one. So when they gave me this and told me to try this out, it was a no-brainer. So that's why I'm really gonna go ahead and try this out. So once they said that, then you could just put it in the cartridge, and I had to get a cartridge. And shout out to these nice CCELL cartridges that they had over there too. So I got a CCELL cartridge, and I went ahead and really ran it through. So I have this CBD right here. This is a 10 milliliter bottle. And one thing I will say, and I did look, they don't say, there's nowhere on here that says what the percentage is. So I can't say it's 100%, but I don't know what the percentage is. So, Royal CBD, you guys kind of lost a few points on that one. Or maybe you gotta scan it, I don't know. They don't have nothing on here to scan, or a QR, or nothing to scan. So it's just crazy right there. But so they went ahead and gave me this right here for free. Now here's the curve, y'all. This thing ain't cheap. It's not cheap. This is pure, that good stuff. Maybe that's why they don't have a thing. It's that good stuff. But so I'm gonna go ahead and do this like this, and take this out and put this inside of here. So what you do is get this right here, take this out like that, there, get that right there. It works better if you have a blunt tip, syringe. So, just be careful, because you don't want to make a mess. You don't want to make a mess, y'all. So you just fill it on up like that. Get that right. Okay, just matter of fact, don't chop him off, but just give him where there's a little room for it to move around, and that's how much you want to do it. So you're gonna put just a little bit more right there. Excuse that, it's really raining out there right now. So, I'm trying to talk a little bit louder. And I hope you like the music that's playing. But yes, as you've seen, it's raining out there right now. So we got that all capped off. And now with no further ado, first make sure you got that sealed off. Right there. So we still got the leaf, buddy. It's a little beat up, but it's treating me good, y'all. So I can't complain. Just take that, get your little coil. I'm surprised I haven't lost this thing yet, but they only gave me one That's one thing I will say about the cruise. They gave me 2, but so I've been valuing this one. So I still haven't lost it. You take that. It looks like some gold. As a matter of fact, that's why this might be, look at that. It's the classic gold. So, good consistency. Moving kind of fast. But we're going to see what it does right now, y'all. Right now, real time. So, let that warm up a little bit. Well, as you see, the cloud right there is nice. Hold on. You know, it's different, so I really don't know what to expect, but I do feel something. Like I said, I'm new to CBD. It's a different type of experience, and it's more therapeutic. Nice clouds though, huh? Nice cloud, huh? Yep. Yeah. Nice clouds, huh? Yeah. Okay. So, it's just different. You know, that's the best way I could explain it. Like I said, I'm new to the CBD, so I'm still learning a little bit about it. And as you see, I couldn't roll up nothing, but I will say from the CBD pull-up, I don't know if you've seen the episode, that I definitely feel something. It's just different, I guess. It's more like just like you just know it's there, I guess. And I guess that's the way I could explain it, because you got to think, if it really, really was doing something, very intense, then it wouldn't be legal. So, I would recommend, it's worth a try, y'all. I'm not saying necessarily this brand, but definitely try you some CBD at least once. But I will say that if you're gonna try it, this isn't a bad brand to try. Look it up. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so go ahead and check that out. And shout out to my people at Imperial Smoking Vape. I'm also putting their links in the description as well, so feel free to check them out. They might have some stuff that you might want to order online. Nice clouds. Nice cloud. And like I said, I just can't explain it. It's just, you know what? Man, hit that one more time before you take off. Hit that. Hit that. Yeah. So, tell me what you feel, tell me if you tried it before. Is there something better out there? I don't know. Just tell me, because, I'm still new. So on that note, let me go on and